So, nakita nyo ba kung anong title? Dream Fulfiller, Mr. Caliber FLM. Means, example, you are a college student, yes, and your dream is for you to be able to pay your tuition fee. Now, if you're a subscriber of Mr. Caliber, then maybe the universe or your prayer will be answered by the universe. So, once Mr. Caliber see you and ask you if you're a subscriber and you prove you are indeed a subscriber, maybe we can pay for your entire tuition. So that's it. Dream fulfiller. Fulfiller. Sorry, my English is good. Okay, subscribe to Mr. Caliber FLM. So, pag nag-umpisa na yung klase at nadaanan ka ng Team Caliber, nakalabit ka at tinanong kung subscriber ka namin at sinabi mong yes, napatunayan mo, yun na, walang mechanic. Ha? It depends. Pero babayaran namin yung tuition mo. Depende kung isang SEM, isang taon, o hanggang sa makatapos ka. It depends. It's dependot. Oo, kasi dependot yan eh. Pipindutin mo lang yan. Subscribe. Click notification bell. At malalaman mo kung anong university ang uunahin namin. Depende yan kung sino ang pinakamaraming estudyante na magre-request dito sa aming comment section kung taga saang university sila. Alright. That's it.